The director of Vinod Patel and Vinod Patel Company Limited, Mr. Jayanti Patel, the CEO, Vinod Patel Group of Companies, Mr. Viral Patel, Ms. Dan, the Special Administrator of Nendi, Mr. Robin Ali, I believe CEO is also around somewhere, staff of Home and Living, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. I'm happy to be part of this great promotion organized by Home and Living. And just to add on that I'm also happy to be here to make difference in someone's life today with the help of Home and Living. The only persons who will be lucky is the ones who have done their shopping at Home and Living. So this is just a start. And once I'm going to draw with the assistance of the other guests here, people will realize that how important it is to shop at Home and Living. Because as I've said, that this is just a start, and this can become an annual event if you're going to come in huge numbers to shop at Home and Living. With that, let me make some announcements for the people of Nendi, that later in the year, we're going to declare Nendi city, 10th city of our country. With that, we are also happy to host Miss South Pacific pageant here in Nendi as well. And we are very privileged, as Sanjeev has said, to have Miss South Pacific, Miss Dan, here with us, because recently we have also appointed her as the ambassador of climate change. As you all know, that our Honorable Prime Minister is the president of COP23. And she has just told me that she's prepared to come out and have awareness program in the weekends, because she's engaged with the low degree at the USP. But after 6 months, she will full-time go around the country to make awareness on climate change. And this is exactly what we need. It's not only few people we're supposed to do in terms of climate change. All Fijians should take part in this exercise. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming. And we'll now wait for the draw, and may God bless us all. Vinaka.
This is actual vehicle that will be given and handed over to the winner. Normal day, but I tell you what, Home and Living is all about changing things in Fiji, and it's all about making sure that someone is going to win. Okay, thank you very much. I'll let you, as the Honourable Minister, to announce the name.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the greatest pleasure to announce the winner. And the winner is none other than Josiah Taka, mobile contact 9592662.